Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be no contact, what's happening behind the scenes. Okay, so we will ask spirits and angels what is happening behind the scenes because you want to know. So you are not talking to specific someone and you want to know what exactly is happening in their life or behind the scenes. Okay, that's all. So let us start the reading. As usual, we have three piles here. Pile number 1 red heart, pile 2 green heart, pile 3 yellow heart. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, you can pause the video, meditate on the pile, and you can choose accordingly. Okay, so what else? Yep, please note that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody. Take it whatever resonates with you and leave the rest. If you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below. Before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me, motivating me to do more and more readings, and I'm very happy to read all your comments. And it is kind of an interactive session kind, like whenever you are commenting, you are writing comments, then only I will know that whether you are happy with my readings or if you want any more changes or if you want any more particular readings. If you comment, then only I will know, right? So now I am happy that you all are writing comments. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like the readings, and press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Okay, that's all. Without wasting much time, let's start the reading. Whoever chose this red heart, this reading is for you. Okay, so what is happening in their life? What is happening in their life? What is happening behind the scenes? Okay, the title, what is happening behind the scenes? So we'll ask spirits and angels to give us some guidance and clarity. Today I'm not going to take any cards that fall down. Okay, let me arrange like this and take the cards. Okay, Prince, two of suns, two of moons, five of suns, initiate, nine of stars. Okay, so these are the cards I got. Hope you can see the cards. I am arranging the cards now for you. So these are the cards we have here. So I can see here strongly that your person is having Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, also Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, so this can be your sun sign or their sun sign, but these energies I can feel right now very strong. Okay, so I can see this person is kind of a page energy. So they want to communicate, they want to inform you something, send a message, send some information to you. So as of now, something is happening in their life, and they maybe, for some of you, I feel that this person is waiting for you. They have positive feelings for you, and they want to have some uh, what do you say, how can I say, they want to have a officially approved relationship with you. That's what I can say. So they are waiting and they want to make it official. Okay, this connection whatever you both are having, so they want to make it official. And for some of you, they are feeling that you both are soulmates and you both are partners. Maybe in general, in reality also, you may be some kind of in some kind of contract or project, or you both are working together, you are partners in any business. Okay, so they feel that you both are meant to be together and destined in this connection. But as of now, they are not moving towards you. But everything they have in their mind, like they want to communicate with you, they want to initiate something, they want to propose you, they want to give you some solid commitment, they want to make it take it into next level, like engagement or marriage, because they want to make it official. Okay, so I can see here the five of wands, five of sons. That means they are standing alone and they are fighting, they are quite defensive. So they don't want to accept their mistake. If at all they have done any mistake, because of that you both broke up, or you both are not talking to each other, you blocked each other. Blockage I can't see here, but still maybe you both are talking normally, but there are no such intimate talks like earlier. Okay, so you both are, maybe for majority I can see you are talking to that person, but like normal way, no, like you talk with anybody else. So they want to come towards you, they want to come forward, and they want to initiate a contact, or initiate some okay, some kind of offer. Okay, but at the same time they are not in a very good position right now. They are not able to sleep at night, they are waking up in the middle, they are thinking about you constantly. They are so for some of you maybe they have some health issues also. I can see that they have some health issues, that is the reason they are missing you so much, maybe whole day, however how much ever they are busy in their work. But at night, when it comes to night, they are not able to sleep, they are crying at night, middle of the night they'll wake up and think about you. They have also very sexual and passionate feelings towards you, they are very much attracted towards you. And I can see 2 is very prominent here, so maybe February is prominent for you, or maybe after 2 months you both will meet, or maybe after 2 months this person will initiate communication. So I can see 2 prominent here. But let's see, let's pull more cards. Let's pull more cards. What is happening behind the scenes, spirits and angels? What is happening behind the scenes? What is happening behind the scenes? I don't know how to spread it also, but I will try. Okay. Okay, again the same card. 9 of swords. The moon. I don't do reversals, friends. Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Swords. 2 of Swords. Then Ace of Wands. Okay, so these are the cards I got in the second spread. Let's see. Hope you can see the cards. Okay, so definitely this person is not able to forget you. They are remembering you at night, and they are crying a lot, and they are kind of in depression, I can see. So they are not very happy. But I can see there are 2 people in their life. Okay, maybe one is already they got married, and you are the other person. Okay, I can see 2 queens here. Queen of Swords is very a strong person. Both of them are having children. Okay, so already they might, your person might have married already. And for some of you I'm saying, if at all you are totally single, and you are into a relationship with a person who is single, then that is not applicable for you. But I can see 2 queens here, so that means this person is having 2 people in their life. Okay, so maybe one person they married, and they got divorced. But for some of you I can see this person may be little older, and maybe one person already they divorced and the other person they are dealing with right now, and they are confused whether to choose you or the other person. Okay, even for some of you I feel that even the viewer also is a single mom, maybe divorced or a widow. Okay, I feel the feminine energy I can feel more, maybe the viewer who is viewing this reading, so that person is also a single mom, single parent. Okay, so one person is very straightforward, cutthroat, and other person is very rich, wealthy, abundant, and that person, that lady is waiting for this person very patiently. Maybe this is one of you, the viewers. So this person is definitely confused, and there are a lot of hidden secrets in this person's life, and their mother or your mother is interfering in this connection. So behind the scenes this is what is happening, because their mother is not accepting this relationship, or the mother is mother or mother figure or sister, so they are not accepting for this connection. Maybe they are happy with the other person with whom they are married, and this person definitely into a crossroads, they don't know what to do, they're blindfolded. And in this spread I can see you both are they both must have blocked each other. For some of you I'm saying, because it is blindfolded and holding two swords in their hand, they're not doing anything, just they are keeping and keeping quiet and sitting idle, they are thinking, they don't know what to do. But I can see here they have some guilt, they have some regret, they are crying at night, they are not able to sleep, that definitely I can see here. And also they want to have a new beginning in this connection, and they want to start with you a passionate and new beginning, but they are waiting for the divorce or waiting for the breakup with this person. But I can see whoever is asking this question, what is happening behind the scenes, but I can see that this person is not at all happy, they are in a very very sad situation. Okay, so let's pull one guidance card. One guidance card please, spirits and angels, one guidance card. What is happening behind the scenes and how they, my viewers, should act. Okay, the devil. So universe is saying that you have to you have to relieve everything. Okay, so you should not be so obsessive, or you should not trouble the other person, or you should not force the other person. Things will happen in their own pace and time. Okay, so devil is you both are obsessively thinking about each other. Maybe you have some addictions also, so you are addicted to each other. It is extramarital affair I can see for some of you, sorry to say. So you want this person, and at the same time other lady, other person is also third party, also wants to have this person in their life. So it is becoming very very difficult for this person, and it is mm, affecting their health also. Okay, so that is what I can see here. So the guidance is don't be so obsessive, leave it, and leave it to the universe, and accept whatever happens to this connection. So you do your work on yourself. Okay, so leave addictions, or leave the obsession, and maybe something good is there in your life. Okay, so try to explore, try to concentrate on yourself, leave, try to meditate, practice the breathing exercises if you can do it, release the stress and negativity. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this green heart, this reading is for you. What is happening behind the scenes? No communication, no contact. What's happening behind the scenes? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What's happening in this connection? What is happening behind the scenes? No contact, no communication. What is happening in this connection? Okay, let's see, let's spread. Okay, the Fool. Ace of Cups, Ace of Moons, Master, Six of Cups, Six of Moons, Four of Pentacles, and Four of Moons. Okay, so I can see here you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, very strong, and for some of you maybe it is Aries, and for some of you it is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see here. I feel that this person is wants to take a risk, because he left everything in the universe hands, and they are waiting patiently for something to happen, and they want to take a risk also. They want to take leap of faith also. They don't know what will happen in future, but still they want to come towards you and have a new beginning. Okay, uh, Ace of Cups means they want to have a new romantic and very loving start together. Okay, they want to have a very what can I say, emotional. They have lot of feelings overflowing from the cup. They want to offer their cup of love to you, and they want to have a new beginning in such a way that it should be very calm, romantic, peaceful, loving. Okay, so they want to have that, but they are thinking in their mind. As of now they are not taking any action, but they are in a verge to take an action, because the Fool card came. It's an action card actually. So they have lot of love towards you, but for some of you I feel that this person is already married, and they have lot of emotions towards you. They have lot of money also. They are abundant actually. I can see that this person is little older. They have lot of money, and they are in a very good position. They are in a very high position in their job. So maybe a kind of a manager or chairman or something like that, CEO, some kind of a very authoritative position this person is. This person is very sensitive. They have lot of feelings towards you, and they want to express their feelings. They want to have a new beginning toward with you. And also I can see that this person is remembering the olden days. I feel that you are this person is your friend, classmate, college mate, schoolmate, or something like that. So you have a relationship with this person, not relationship exactly, you know this person already before. Okay, this is not kind of a new relationship happening now. So this person is remembering all those days, and they want to offer you something. They want to give commitment, and they want to offer their cup of love. They want to come towards you. Maybe they are in a different city, state, or country. I feel that this is long distance relationship, and they want to come towards you. They want to offer their cup of love to you. Okay, so this time they want to offer a stable commitment, but at the same time they are introvert. Okay, they don't want to express their feelings completely. Okay, they are shy. I can see that this person is little bit shy. They don't have enough words to express their feelings. They are little hesitant. They are soft spoken, very well mannered, well groomed person. So this person is also this person is very possessive about you. They don't want to see you with anybody else. They want you for themselves only. Maybe earlier they rejected you, they ignored your offer, because that time he or she was in a different state of mind. Maybe they are going through some breakup or divorce or something like that. So they were in a kind of a depression state when you both met after a long time. Maybe that time this person was not in a right state of mind. So even if you offered your cup of love, this person didn't accept. They rejected you. So that is what now they want to correct it. But before concluding, I want to take more cards to get the clarity. So let's pull some cards from this deck. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What's happening behind the scenes? No communication, no contact. What is happening behind the scenes? Okay, so let me see. Three of Pentacles, the Emperor, Three of Swords, Page of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Two of Cups. Okay, so these are the cards I got for this deck. Okay, so this person is have started something new in their life, because Three of Pentacles is there. They are learning new things, and they are learning new technology maybe, or the work, and they are dealing with many new people in their life. Okay, maybe they got a new job, or they started a new business. But as I told you already, this person is completely like little bit very age difference is there, I already told you, and this person is in a high position, very wealthy, and for from this card I can see he is kind of a king of kings. That means he must be in a chairman or a CEO kind of a position, and they are a bit narcissist also. They are kind of very stubborn, I can see, very egotistical. They want to have things their own way. Okay, my way or the highway, that kind of a person. So that is the reason they are not committing to you. That is the reason they are not telling anything to you. So they, maybe for some of you, they ghosted you, and you are suffering with the heartbreak. Even the other person is also suffering with the heartbreak, but they are not expressing. Maybe something happened between you which is not pleasant. Okay, something is not very good happened in your life. That is the reason maybe you both blocked each other. I can see blockage also. You both blocked each other, no communication, no contact. But both of you are in a heartbreak. I can see both of you are in a pain. But this person didn't lose hope, because they are seeing, I mean, stalking you. They are keeping an eye on you. They are checking your social media. They are seeing your photos. They are gathering information about you. They are inquiring all the people, whoever they know. Maybe, as I told you already, you both are friends, right? So you must be having some mutual friends. So this person is inquiring about you with them, and they are waiting for the right moment. They are waiting for the right time so that they can come to you. So my viewers may be a single mom or a single parent. I am telling you for some of you, because I am receiving a comment saying that uh, so always you say for the married people or divorced people, widows and all, you are not doing for singles, like young people and all. But I can't help it, right? Whenever the cards comes out, then I have to deliver the message. So apart from that, I can't do anything, right? So if this pile is not resonating with you, you can choose another pile, isn't it? So they feel that you are abundant, and you have lot of caring, nurturing nature, and you are a very good mother. They feel that, and you have lot of patience. They have lot of positive feelings towards you, and they feel that you both are partners in some way, and you both are destined to meet each other. You are soulmates. Okay, these are all the things they have, because two of cups is there, so that means they love you so much, and even both the feelings are mutual. Okay, so now what I can see, what is happening behind the scenes is they are heartbroken. They are feeling a lot of love towards you, and also they are regretting why they have rejected you or ignored you in the past, and they are stalking you. Okay, these are all the messages I can see behind the scenes. Okay, let's pull one guidance card and close the reading. Let's pull one guidance card. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity towards this connection. No contact. What's happening behind the scenes? Please give us some guidance and clarity. I don't know why today cards are stuck to each other. They are not coming only. Okay. The Magician. Okay. Hope you can see. The Magician card. So that means you have every capability of manifesting this connection. You are a magician and you have lot of powers within yourself. So you have to use them in a wise manner. You have to think wisely, and whatever you want you can get it. That's what universe is trying to say. Okay, that's all I have for you. Pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this yellow heart, this reading is for you. What is happening behind the scenes? No communication, no contact. What's happening behind the scenes? No communication, no contact. What's happening behind the scenes? Let's pull the cards. Let's pull. Okay, 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Moons, the Fool, 6 of Pentacles, 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Stars. Okay, let's see. So the signs I can see here are Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is very strong and prominent. Other signs are also there. I can see Aries, I can see Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, I can see Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. These are the signs I can see here. So your person is a little bit shy, introvert. They can't express their feelings, but they are feeling very, very possessive about you. Maybe you have posted something in social media showing that you are happy with somebody else or something else. So they are bubbling with frustration, anger, because they don't want to see you with somebody else, because they love you so much. And because one second. Okay, yeah, because they want you for themselves. They don't want to you to go with somebody else. And also they see you, for some of you, they feel that you are celebrating or enjoying with your friends, or they are doing the same to avoid your thoughts or forget you. So they are trying to enjoy with their friends. They are having nice parties and all, but at night when they come home, definitely they are missing you. They are feeling very sad, unhappy, because they are feeling possessive about you. Okay, they didn't express their feelings to you. And definitely now also they don't have the courage to express their feelings. Somehow they have self-worth issues also. But now after this separation, they came to know that they love you, they are in love with you, and they want to express their feelings and take a risk in their life. Okay, in this connection they want to take leap of faith, and they want to come towards you. Also they feel that there is no balance in this connection. Okay, so they want to get the balance in this connection. Maybe earlier you were giving a lot of love and this person was not giving, or vice versa. So now this person wants to give you love and equal balance. They want to get it. And also they want to make you happy. Okay, they want to give you gifts. They want to make you happy. Okay, so they are planning all these things in their life, and definitely they are admiring you, adoring you, because 7 of spears means they have sowed the seeds and they are waiting for them to ripe. So they are waiting for the, what can I say, the things to come back to them. Okay, from far they are watching you, they are admiring you, the way you look, the way you dress up. Maybe the way you dress up, they like it. Maybe they might have told you or not told you, but still they are very much attracted towards you. So they might be looking at your photos. Maybe they have your photos, or they might be looking at your social media, and they are admiring you, and they are in awe of you. Okay, they are completely like fell down for you. So that is kind of a thing. But the thing is, they are not expressing their feelings. They are hiding their feelings. actually masking themselves. Maybe they are trying to show that they don't care, they are not interested, but definitely they are very much interested, but they are confused actually. Maybe you both have some blockage also, I can see here. And also this person is confused between two things, okay, two people or two things, okay, because two of swords is there. So definitely they are confused, they are blindfolded, they don't know what to do. So definitely we'll get the clarity in the next spread. Let us pull more cards to get this clarity. Why they are confused? What's happening behind the scenes, Spirit? What's happening behind the scenes in this connection? No communication, no contact. What is happening in this connection? No communication, no contact. What's happening in this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay. Okay. 6 of Cups. Judgment. 5 of Wands. The Lovers. Very nice. 7 of Wands. Ace of Swords. Okay, these are all the cards I can see here. Okay, so now I got the clarity why they are confused. I can see here this 5 of Wands. Okay, so they feel that there is a lot of competition in this connection. They feel that there are a lot of suitors for you. So they don't know whether you have already moved on with someone else, because all are of same age fighting together for something. Okay, you can see in the 5 of Wands card. So definitely they feel that there is a lot of competition in this connection. That is the reason they are confused whether to come towards you or not. Maybe they have some offer already in their hand or something, so they don't know whether to come to you or not. But here also in this pile I can see you both love each other. It is this connection is destined, and you both are guided to come towards each other. So the Lovers card is there. So I can see this person might be Gemini person, and you both are childhood friends or classmates or college mates. So now this person wants to have reconciliation, because judgment is there. So they want to have judgment in this connection. They want to come towards you. They want to reconcile, and they want to offer the stable commitment, because 6 of Cups is there. So definitely they want to give you commitment. At the same time, they don't want to accept their mistakes if at all they have done, because 7 of Wands is there. They are standing straight, and they are quite defensive. Okay, because this introvert people, what they feel is the people try to insult them or something like that, so they don't want to accept their mistakes. So he or she, they're defensive, quite defensive. So you have to be very very careful with them while talking. You should not hurt their feelings, you should not argue, you should not fight. It should be a little bit soft and quiet. Okay, so I can see that they want the new beginning in this connection. Ace of Swords is there. So they want to cut out all the BS, whatever fights you have between this in this connection. So they want to cut with this all the BS, and they want to come towards you. Definitely they feel that they have this it is divinely guided connection, and they have you in their life. They have this connection as a priority. And for some of you, they want already, they have started a new connection. Somehow I feel this in Ace of Swords. But definitely they want to reconcile with you. Because of the 2 of Swords I am getting this doubt. Okay, because Ace of Swords, so 2 of Swords. So there are two meanings for this. They want to have a new beginning with you, that is one, and they have already met some new person and they are confused between both of you. That is also another meaning. Okay, but anyways, anyhow, what is happening behind the scenes, that is what they want to reconcile. They love you so much, and they want to offer you stable commitment. Okay, that's all I have for you. Then let us pull one guidance card, so that universe will clarify whatever doubt you have in your mind. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Please give one guidance card. Give one guidance card. What is happening behind the scenes in this connection? Okay, the Empress, very good card. So you can see the abundance, lot of abundance in this connection. Definitely you will have future with this person, and maybe immediately you will conceive. You will be the mother of their children, mother or father of their children. So definitely it is a very positive guidance card is there. So that means don't worry, you will have everything in this connection. You will get whatever you want to get, because the Empress card is there. So definitely it is a positive outcome, friends. So that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.